Hi.
Hey, how you doing?
How you doing? Good. How are you?
Good. I just
Good. I just
turned my
turned my
volume
volume
down.
down.
How'd you do on the lesson 7 work?
Good. I feel like it's kind of reviewing, which is good since we have a test next week.
Yeah,
How'd you do?
I did really good. It was nice to have the review. And it
I
was
just wish, and I put this in the answer and question and answers thing. I kind of wish that I feel like we have such a limited amount of problems to do. Like
yeah,
if like a real textbook would have like
extra.
so many more practice problems, you know?
And yeah, it would be nice to have maybe not fully assigned work, but
Not assigned, but just something that is extra that we could do.
didn't understand something, you could go and go over it.
Right, I agree.
So that would be nice. So,
all right, let me know when you're ready to.
Okay, I'm ready to go, so.
Okay, I'll start on question 3.
Okay.
Let's see. Okay, I got, let's see. Is the normal probability applet, oh, where'd it go? There you go. Okay, 0.175.
Yep, that's what I'm getting to, so point. Well, and then question 4, which of the following will have a smaller standard deviation if the 9 observations are randomly drawn from the population? Generally, this. I'm thinking the distribution of the sample means is generally larger.
I think it's smaller because it's always, it's with the equation. Oh, where'd my textbook go?
Yeah.
Because you divide the standard deviation divided by the square root of n, so it's going to get more smaller.
So,
but I think it is the distribution of the sample means.
Yeah.
I think that's the answer.
I hate questions like that.
I know. Good thing we have 2 tries, right?
Yeah.
Okay, number 5. Which of the following results implies that the spread of in X with a line, I don't know how to say that, or how I'm supposed to say that, decreases as the sample size increases. And I think that's the law of large numbers.
Yeah, I think so. Okay. So. Okay. So oh, I forgot to pull out my calculator.
No problem.
Okay. Oh, helps if I'm actually on the calculator. Okay, so I think it's funny that they tell us how to give examples of how to round. So I'm getting 1.136.
For number 6?
Yeah, because wouldn't we just do the regular?
Yeah, I have
One.
1.045.
Okay. Hang on, let me,
Look at it again.
because there's 2 different ways to do the z-score. And I think with this one, because we don't have a sample,
Right.
we
You
just
do the original one.
do the original one, which would be 160 minus, oh, okay. I just put 150, not 150.8.
Oh, okay.
So, okay, I get 1.045.
Okay, phew. That's what I have too.
Yeah, it helps if you I look at the entire number.
Well, my pump that's part of that.
Okay, I have let's see, question 7. What is the probability that a randomly selected student will score above 160?
Yeah.
0.148.
Professor, bring it over charge. Ground and then user directions.
So I calculated the z-score and then I put it in Applet. Is that what you did?
Yeah, that's what I did. My fingers aren't typing really good today, so it took me a little bit longer.
You're totally fine. So let's see, 0.148 is my answer.
Yeah. Okay. So random sample of 5 students.
The place that we would take it to get the alignment checked and stuff like that is not open right now.
And so this is the one where I would do the other z-score, right?
Yes, because there's a sample now.
That's lower.
What were our numbers before? So 150.8.
Well, I could swing by my red car over to your house and back. Yeah, where if I got pulled over again for having the light turned off, I'd get in trouble.
How many numbers?
Oh, and that instead of a donut, I have a full-size spare. So it may be that it's just an alignment thing, but while they're doing the alignment, I think they'd be able to say if there's anything else going on. Cool. Hey, Tommy, you're awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, so I came up with 2.337 or 338.
Yeah, I have 2.338.
Yeah. I just have to remember to round.
Okay, question 9. Okay, for 9, I'm getting 0.0097.
Yep, that's what I got.
This is 4 decimal places for this one.
That's what it gives. Okay. Okay, so for number 10, it's going to be approximately not normal, right? Because it's got a large sample.
Yeah.
Do you remember, did they say like what constitutes a large sample?
Yeah, for this course, it's above 30, or maybe equal to or greater than. I'm not sure.
Okay.
I'll have to look at that. It's either above 30 or 30 is also
Okay.
okay.
That's what I'm like, I thought like 30 was the number that was sticking in my head, but I'm like, I don't remember if I just randomly came up with that or if they.
So, yeah, I'm kind of curious what it is in real life because 30 seems so small, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Question 11, I'm getting 3.5
Okay, hold on.
because it's the same. It should be the same.
Yeah, that one is the same, so 3.5. Yep, and then okay. I hate having to scroll back and forth to see what all my numbers are.
Yeah. We have 2 monitors set up, but sometimes in this class I feel like I need like 4.
Yeah, and I only have one monitor, but I have things on like both sides of them. Okay, so what's my? Okay. Oh, let's get back on my calculator. Okay, I'm getting 0.07. How many are we supposed to do?
3.
Okay, so 0.078.
Yeah, me too.
I feel like we've done this one before.
Maybe we have.
Just the GPA of the students and whatnot.
Okay, the probability that the mean GPA for 81 selected students will be less than 3.3. Okay, so I'm getting a z-score of negative 2.571. Let me put that into Applet.
Ahoy.
Okay, so I think the probability is 0.005.
Hold on.
Okay.
Ha! My applet keeps highlighting everything.
No.
Okay, let me refresh it and see if that helps. Keeps. Okay, I have to close it down and reopen it. Hang on.
I was thinking, what if I just drove it with low air over to your house? It's not like it's riding on the rim. And if I just took it really slow down the driveway and headed that way.
Oh. Now I lost my z-score. Where did I write it down at? Okay, what was that z-score again? Because I wrote it down somewhere and
2.571.
Catch you in your driveway.
that was a negative, right?
Yes.
That's what I thought. And you said you got, oh, hold on.
Okay.
Nope, reset.
I got
Looked at what
0.005 for my answer.
on the wheel yet, so
Yep, that's what I'm getting.
that'll call you back really quick. Okay, bye.
Okay, so 14. So this one, it should just be 0.995, right?
Yeah, that's what I have.
Because it's what's left of the one.
Okay, so for this one, let's see. Let me calculate the z-score. Here's my calculator.
Oops.
Okay, so let's see. It wants the probability that a random sample of passengers will have a weight that is as extreme or more extreme, either above or below the mean. So would that be just the two triangles to the right on the applet? On left, I mean. So not the center, but the sides?
I think so.
Okay, so I'm thinking the answer is 0.055.
It's too low on air.
But I'm not
that all-
sure.
Hang on. Okay, let me reread the thing, the standard deviation.
Okay.
Probability that a random sample of passengers will have a weight.
Well, I'll survive. I'll work on other stuff, thanks for the help, Tommy, and thanks for your availability. I really appreciate it.
Can I check my Z equation with you?
Yeah.
So I think the equation is 177.6 minus 185 divided by 26.7 over the square root of 48.
Yeah, that's what I did.
That's what you got? Okay, and I got negative 1.92.
Okay, I got negative.
Did you get it?
I got negative 1.068.
Okay, I'll go through and do it again. Maybe I put something in wrong.
Yeah, and I'll redo mine too, because.
And for it. Yeah. But I'm not sure what the state of this tire is on the back. I just barely put on if it's a good spare, or there's like, oh, I'll change the tire today, and one day I'll fix the spare tire, and I just been coding around the useless thing in my trunk or not. But so I could swing by your direction and Lindsay's car really fast, and I think that'd be a little more kosher than you and your kids alone.
Let's see, I got,
I'm completely fine waiting for the week to come back.
I got negative 1.92 again.
Yeah, I skipped a step when I was finishing my calculation, so that's what I got the second time. And so,
I just get confused on which area to shade in the applet,
But
either above or
right now it's
below
like,
the mean.
Dedicate that, like, it plugs in.
So the mean in the applet is not like, does not necessarily line up with 0, right?
yeah, the mean is the average.
Okay.
So wait,
Oh, right. I'm thinking of it as the median.
so hold on,
And
because it's find the probability that a random sample of passengers will have a weight as extreme or more extreme than was observed in this sample.
Either above or below. So it could be like way less than
Yeah,
or way more than. So I think it's just on the sides of the red lines. To the
yeah,
left of it.
that's what I would do.
So then the area is the probability, right? So 0.055.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting.
Cool.
If we're wrong, we can figure out what we did wrong after.
Woohoo! That was the right answer. That one had me really nervous.
Yeah, no, I'm.
the main thing you have is
It's testing my ability to remember how to do word problems.
yeah.
Cool.
So
So I have a question about your Google activity. From the first week, I added this class late,
Uh-huh.
but I still finished the Google activity before the deadline.
Mhm.
And for some reason, I got a 0%. Have you been graded on that yet? 'Cause I'm wondering if mine is just like a gradebook error and the professor hasn't even graded them yet.
Let me look. I know this semester I've had so many issues with my teachers like grading stuff before the assignment was even due and me having a 0 on it. And so I
Interesting.
don't.
Well, I emailed the professor,
Yeah.
so hopefully he'll get back to me soon.
No, I was graded on it already, so.
Huh.
But yeah, no, this semester I've had to email my teacher so many times saying, "Hey, this assignment isn't due yet. What do you mean?" I failed it. Like,
Yeah. Well,
yeah.
interesting. Okay.
So,
And I did the assignment, so I mean, maybe I did a bad job on it, but I at least did it, so I shouldn't make a 0.
yeah. No, it could just be, like I said, I actually had one teacher email me and say, "Okay, that was a mess up." It could just be they're getting used to ILAN 3 because this is only, I think, the
Probably.
second semester that
Right.
they've used it
That's
full time. So, anyway.
Very true. Okay, cool. Well, thank you.
Yep, and I will see you Monday.
Sounds good. And so next week for our exam,
Mm-hmm.
let's see. So like the first half of the week is review. The exam is due, I think, by Thursday. Let me look really quick again. The exam is open until February 2nd.
That would be Thursday.
Thursday. So you have to have it done on Wednesday.
Well,
I'm on East Coast, so it says like 1 a.m. on February 2nd.
okay, so that would be Wednesday. Hang on, let me.
Wednesday. So do you want to move our meeting maybe to Thursday next week, our second meeting?
Sure, that sounds good. That'll actually, I'm traveling this weekend, and so that would work good for me. It'll give me a little bit of extra time.
Okay, that sounds great. So does Monday still work, or should we push that one back too?
No, Monday will be fine.
Great. That gives us enough time to like wrap up the first exam before we
Yeah.
move on to lesson 9.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
So I will.
So we'll have to traveling.
Yep, I will see you Monday.
Sounds good. Bye.
Bye.